Hey guys, Min here. Welcome back to Your House Fitness. I'm joined with
Jerry.
We're going to go over a bodyweight exercise for your lower back, actually kind of for your whole posterior chain, depending on your skill level. It's called the Supermans. If you've ever done a back extension or something of that sort where you're just curling your back into extension, you've probably done this movement before, or this transition will be very smooth for you. I'm going to demonstrate a few reps, then we're going to get Jerry to do some, and we're going to break it down nice and slow for you guys, okay? I like a mat. Honestly, if you have a soft floor or it doesn't hurt for you to do it on a hard floor, you do you. I'm just going to use a mat. I'm going to get in a prone position, which means my chest and the front side of my body is towards the floor. From here, I don't want to look forward like I'm a sphinx. And keep my chin in. I'm looking into the ground. I'm going to put my weight on my sternum and kind of my belly. From here, I got to be able to have a stable enough base where I'm connected to the floor, and also not so unstable. You're kind of pushing your ribs into the mat. That's a little uncomfortable, a bit painful. So get as much surface area as you need, but try to be stable as well, okay? So find that balance. So I'm going to get onto my chest, onto my belly, get nice and controlled, and I like to do a few test runs. What I mean by that is before I go into the movement, I'm just going to elevate my legs off the floor and my hands just to practice. Once I can get that down and I feel I can lift myself up without like falling to the side, for example, we're only getting the arms up and not the legs, right? We're going to suss that out long before we start to set. Kind of like in your warm set. So I'm going to keep looking down. I'm going to take a deep breath in. I'm going to brace my core and my neck, actually. I don't want to pop my head up when I do this. I want to stay level with the ground. So my arms are going to be here up in front of me like I'm Superman flying, okay? I'm going to lift my legs completely off the ground. My thighs are kind of off the floor. And I'm pressing everything in, and I'm contracting my back muscles. Squeezing the glutes very hard and retracting my shoulder blades. Okay, so there's a lot going on in the back, and it all has to be synchronous. So I'm here on the floor. Arms are out. I take a deep breath in. I'm going to squeeze everything in my back, like so, and I hold. We can do this for time, or we can go up and down for repetitions. Whew. And I feel my scapulas and my mid-back light up like crazy. Really strong glute contraction throughout. Jerry, you want to try this out?
Yeah.
Just going to flip it for you. Jerry's going to get on the mat. He's in a prone position. Good. He's just going to find the balance on his torso here, so he doesn't feel like he's stabbing his ribs down. Good. There he goes. Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Deep breath in. Let's squeeze here. He's going to lift the arms, lift the legs, squeeze the traps. Down slow he goes. Very good. Very good control. Up you go. Very nice. I'm looking for balance, and I'm looking for not too much of a lift in the head or the pelvis. It should all come up together at the same time. Very nice. Can you hold one at the top for me? Whew. You got this. One more. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2. Put it down. And that's what you would do if you're holding it for time, kind of like a plank. Fantastic work. Okay. Where'd you feel it?
Ooh. I mean, the entire posterior chain. Honestly.
Posterior chain, yeah. It's intense. It's quite a squeeze. Did you have difficulty feeling one part over the other, or was everything lit up immediately for you?
It was pretty well balanced, I'd say.
Yeah. I have like really tight pecs today, so I found getting the scap squeeze took a couple reps. So for me, feeling my glutes, lower back, not a problem today. Just squeeze my upper back a little bit more. So I think it kind of depends on your mobility and who you are as a person. Some people are just very tight pecs, so you might not feel the scapulas. Would you like to add anything else?
No, that's it.
That's it. Thank you guys for joining us. We'll see you next time.